Hi, I am Sonja. I am here with an overdue video. This is for the e.l.f. Dunkin line that came out. I actually received this like a week ago, but then it was my birthday, my 49th birthday, and lots of things happened and I got sidetracked and I wasn't able to actually, do the unboxing for this e.l.f. So let's go ahead and do it now. I wasn't fast enough, so I wasn't able to get like the cute whole setup with like the e.l.f. tumbler, like the e.l.f. Dunkin tumbler, and so I was kind of sad about that, but I did get all of the products at least. So let me show you. I'll show you the inside. And of course I love e.l.f. because they are vegan and cruelty free. Okay, so let's get started with what I got. So the first thing I got was the e.l.f. Dunkin Glazed for Days lip gloss set. So, and I think it has like little chains on it that you can like keep on your purse or whatever. Yeah, so it has like little chains so you can put it on your purse, so that's really cute. This first one, I don't know, does it say what they are? e.l.f. runs on Dunkin Glazed for Days. Does it really say? Okay, so this is the first one. Oh, it smells really good. Super good. It does have like a little orangey type tint to it. Gosh, that smells good. All right, and the next, let's wipe this one off. The next is like the pink one. Let's put this one on. Oh, this smells good too. Oh, they both smell really good. I like them. They're really cute, but I'm thinking I might actually give these to my children because they might really like it. Oh, and it has like a little like quick release there, so that's cute. These are really cute. All right, so the next thing we have is the Coffee Lip Scrub Original Blend. Like it says, hey hot stuff. It's so cute because that's like a little picture of coffee on the back. It's really cute. Probably should have put the little lip gloss on after the lip scrub, but oh, it smells like coffee. It smells really good. I'm giving it to you to smell. Here, smell this. Okay, I wonder if I should take lip gloss off my lips. Interesting. Interesting. It's interesting. All right, now we have the Don't Forget Putty Primer. I already have on my foundation, so I'm not going to use this right now, but I'll put some on my hand. I'm filming 2 videos at once, so my other video is a foundation one, so I already primed my face and put on foundation. So this is Don't Forget Primer. Oh, okay, that's like butter. Like that is so smooth. It's like butter. Like you feel that on your skin. That's like so soft. It's like kind of cool. Oh my gosh. That's like really nice. Oh, and I can't, it's almost like a creamer maybe scent. I don't know, but it's really cute. The lid's not going on very easy. And it may not be the product. It might be user error. So, did I have that upside? Oh, I have it upside down. Sorry. Then the next thing I have, which I'm not going to use right now, but it's in this cute little box. Just like a little tiny donut box. And you see it has like this espresso yo elf, it says. Strawberry frosted with sprinkles face sponge. Really cute. All of this is cute, and look. And I saw Michaela on, I think on TikTok, I saw her do that. She got this wet, and then when you get it wet, it's the actual size of like a donut from Dunkin. It's just so big, like, I don't know how you get it in like all the small areas, but if nothing else, it's cute to have. So we will put that over there. But I love this little box, so cute. And then the last is this. This is e.l.f. Dunkin, the Dunkin Dozen eyeshadow set. So it's supposed to be like the chocolate frosted with sprinkles, the strawberry frosted with sprinkles, and the Boston cream, of course. All right, and the back says, oh, this says Espresso Yo Elf. Espresso Yo Elf. Super cute. Really cute. So I thought I would just do really fast. Oh, and then I also got, I could pick a free item, and all the free items were the e.l.f. skincare, and I actually don't like the e.l.f. skincare at all. But it wouldn't let me not pick a skincare item. Oh wait, I do have one more thing too. I don't know why I have this. Maybe I gotta pick 2 things for free. I don't know why I have this, but this is the Enhancing Lash and Brow Serum. Okay, so I got this too. Enhance your lashes and brows with this travel friendly size. This serum will give you healthier looking lashes and brows in weeks. Directions: apply to your upper and lower lash line or brow hairs in the AM and PM. So we'll try that. I'm not going to do it right now, but let me open it. Always try to get the boxes open nice, and this time I literally just destroyed it to get it out. Okay, so this is what it is. It has like a small little wand, little brush, and it just feels like a nice little oil. So I think this would be like a nice at bedtime type thing. So maybe I'll try that tonight. And then the other e.l.f., I think that was free, and this one's free. So this is Super Hydrate, a moisturizer with hydrating squalene, which squalene is really good. But I actually did a whole review on the e.l.f. products. I only use them for 2 days. I can't get the little safety seal off, so I'm not going to show it to you because I can't get safe seal off. Wait, maybe I can use my tweezers. I did like a whole video on them, and I hated them. So I did a second video saying how much I hated them, and then I never edited it, and I wasn't sure if I should. So I might still do that. I have it sitting there. It's old. So maybe I should. Maybe I should show you guys that, so that way you can know my opinion. So I know a lot of people really recommend the e.l.f. skincare, and I wish it's like impossible to get into the e.l.f. skincare. So it's like a jelly consistency. Really jelly, actually. So it just wasn't for me. When I used it, I didn't like the way it felt. I didn't really like a lot about it. So yeah, that's that. But I thought it's a nice little travel size. We'll keep it, whatever. But anyways, let's get back to the eyeshadows. I thought I would just do like a quick eyeshadow look with this. Like, why not? Just do that real fast. So we have, I think this one's the Boston Cream, which you can tell that's totally Boston Cream. This one must be the, oh yeah, it says right on the back, Strawberry Frosted with Sprinkles. And then this one is the Chocolate Frosted with Sprinkles. Maybe I'll go with the Strawberry Frosted. I might actually mix and match them, so we'll see. So they're like so small. But let's just go ahead and jump in here and try it out. And we'll zoom you in slightly. Okay. I'm just gonna take in the Strawberry Donut one, this lighter color. I'm just gonna put that like in my crease area here, like above my crease. It almost matches my natural skin color. I think I'm gonna go to one of the other ones, like the Boston Cream, maybe. The Boston Cream has this pretty like chocolatey type color, and I think I'm gonna use that like on the outside corner a little bit. Oh, I just kind of like plopped it on there and made a big mess. I'm gonna go into the chocolate frosted with sprinkles. I'm gonna put this over all of that because it looks really pretty, and if you're gonna have donut eyes, why not just add a little extra glitter and make it a little prettier? This eye is behaving today, this eye is not. I'm gonna take this, I wish they would have put all of these colors into like one palette and had like the donut picture next to each one that it represented, because then it would be easier to switch between them and it'd be easier to hold it all. I think that would have been cute. But I'm gonna take this darker pink color and kind of put it up here to kind of blend it out a little bit better and soften it up a little. I feel like I'm using like so much all over my whole eye. It's just kind of crazy. There's two silvery colors. And so in the strawberry donut, there's this silvery color. And in Boston cream, there's this one. So the Boston cream is a little more yellowish, and the strawberry donut's a little bit more pinkish. So I think I'm gonna go for the one that's a little bit more pinkish, since that's kind of the look I'm going for. Is a little bit more pinkish of a color, but I am going to deepen the brown on the outside just slightly. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and use this color. I'm just going to put it on the inside corner there. Okay, so you know, I liked these. They were fine. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my makeup and let you see the final look once I have all my makeup on. Right now, I mean, I think it's all cute. I think it was fun. Do you need to spend your money on this? Probably not. I don't feel like I got anything that you really like is earth-shattering that you need to spend your money on, or you need to be like, oh my gosh, I need to get it. I would say these are cute, and I think these would be really fun for kids for sure, teens maybe. I mean, it's fun for adults too, but these probably aren't going to be my go-tos, and I'm probably going to give these to my kids. The coffee lip scrub, it didn't really feel like a lip scrub in all honesty. And I didn't love the smell. It smelled like coffee, and at first I was excited about it, but then it starts to smell like that artificial coffee smell. It reminded me of something from when I was little that I don't know. And like I said, this big donut, I don't know how this is going to work as a sponge, but I think it's cute to have around. It's a fun gimmick, and I think these are fun. I mean, like, you could definitely take one of these with you if you're traveling. I think this would be like a cute one, or even this one. Just, you know, actually all three, they're small. They would be fun to take with you. So it's a fun thing if you want something fun, but I don't think it's something that you need to spend your money on for sure. So I'm gonna pause this, do the rest of my makeup, come back, let you see the finished look, and we'll go from there. Okay, so here I am all done with everything. I got my whole eye look done and all of my makeup, and I actually used on my lips was this Refi lip kit that I just tried out, and I just did a TikTok on it, and I'll post it below if anybody wants to see me using that in the TikTok. But this works really great. I really like it. But I really like the way my makeup turned up. Like I said, I think these are awfully cute. I think it's really fun, but I don't think it's something that you need to spend your money on. Not that it was like totally expensive, but I think you'd be better off finding products that you were actually looking for versus these, because it's just kind of a nice cute little gimmicky thing, and it's Dunkin, so that's fun. But wanted to try it out and show you guys my thoughts. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so every time I post a video you get notified, and I will catch you next video. Bye.